Intro. What if I told you there is a car that can live forever? A car that doesn't use batteries, and if it gets a scratch, it heals itself. This sounds like magic, but it's actually the Lamborghini Terzo Millennio. Let's uncover the secrets of the world's first self-healing supercar. No batteries. First, let's look at the power. Unlike Tesla's, this beast has no heavy lithium batteries. Instead, it uses supercapacitors. This means it can charge in seconds, not hours. The craziest part. The car's body is the battery. The carbon fiber panels actually store energy. The whole car is alive with power. Self-healing tech. But here is the feature that shocked the world: self-healing carbon fiber. The car has sensors that constantly check for damage. If it detects a small crack or scratch, it releases healing nanotubes to fill the crack and repair the structure instantly. It literally fixes its own wounds. Design and outro. With glowing orange wheels that look like electric turbines, and a sound that screams like a spaceship, the Terzo Millennio is Lamborghini's promise to keep the V12 spirit alive in an electric world. Is self-healing technology possible, or is this just a dream? Let us know your thoughts and subscribe for more future car concepts.